how you can use your custom music on an Instagram reel. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app, and if you can see, if you tap on this and try to create a new reel, just if you try to record a video or take a reel, you can see the audio option here, but if you want to add your downloaded music or custom music, then you don't have any option to do that. So in order to do this, first you'll have to go to your downloaded music or Spotify, then play it on your background. So for example, I'm just going to play a random music here, and now it's starting to play. So if I just open my Instagram and go to the reel and just start playing, is playing in the background. So if I just turn it off and if the music, and if I go next, the video is now playing on the background. So that's how you can add your custom music to your Instagram reel. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.